Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to play a pre-recorded video inside OBS Studio without using the media source option. Now I know some of you might be struggling with media source not working. Maybe the video doesn't include or OBS just shows a black screen. Trust me, I have been there and it's super frustrating. But don't worry, there is another method that works smoothly and gives you more control over playback, and that's what we will dive into today. So here is the deal. Instead of media source, we're going to use something called the VLC Video Source, and another alternative if that doesn't work, window capture with a regular video player like VLC or even Windows Media Player. First, let's make sure you have VLC Media Player installed on your computer. OBS uses VLC as a plugin for its video playback features. So if you don't have it, head over to videolen.org and install the latest version. Once VLC is installed, open OBS Studio. In your Sources panel, click the plus icon to add a new source. From the list, choose VLC Video Source. You might not see this option if VLC isn't installed. So again, make sure you have it, give it a name like My Video, and click OK. A new window will pop up for settings. Now here is the fun part. Click the plus button in the playlist area to add your video file. You can also add multiple files if you want them to play one after another like a playlist. Browse your computer, choose the video file you want to play, and hit OK. OBS will instantly load the video. If you want the video to loop, check the box that says Loop Playlist. You can also control whether it restarts when the source becomes active or plays automatically. After you're done with settings, click OK, and your video should now appear in the OBS preview window. You can resize it, move it, or even add filters and effects just like any other source. This method is great because it's stable, smooth, and you don't have to worry about compatibility issues like with media source. But wait, what if even VLC source doesn't work or you want more playback control like scrubbing through the timeline or posing manually? That's where window capture comes in. It's assembled and gives you total control over the video playback. Here's how to set it up. First, open your video and VLC player, Windows Media Player, or any player you like. Play the video and pause it whenever you want to start. Now go back to OBS and click the plus button on your Sources panel. This time choose Window Capture. Name it something like Video Player Capture and click OK. From the drop-down list, find the window of your video player. Usually it will say VLC Media Player or vmplayer.exe. Depending on the app you're using, select the window and hit OK, boom, exclamation mark. Now your video is showing up in OBS. You can resize it, crop the player controls using the Alt key and drag, or even add a chroma key filter if your player has a dark background and you want transparency. The best part about using window capture is that you have full manual control, both rewind, scrub, change volume, anything you want, just like a media player. This is also a great method if you want to react to a video live or control when a clip starts during a stream or recording. So just to recap, if media source isn't working for you, don't panic. You have got two solid alternatives, VLC Video Source for direct integration and window capture for maximum control. Both methods are reliable, easy to set up, and perfect for blank pre-recorded videos during your live streams, presentations, tutorials, or even remade intros and outros. And remember, OBS is powerful because of how flexible it is. If something doesn't work one way, there is almost always another way to do it. And that's exactly what makes it a favorite among streamers and creators. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy OBS guides and tech tips. And hey, if you have any questions or want help with something specific, drop a comment below. I am always checking and happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.